Yeah, yeah, yeah. You already know, like, that hood shit, right? These niggas are so stupid, though. Bitches too. Yeah, don't make me run up on you with the fucking skates on. Go ahead and fuck around, pussy, what, early morning. Catch you at the fucking barber shop, getting haircut. Nigga, what the fuck? Put the bitch in your gut. Now she on you and such. She want the fucking smokes pop you. You got a Dutch. You fall for the fat ass and fuck the fucking difference. Shit was so simple. Niggas, so check my mental. Yeah, she know what you into. I sent the bitch. Go ahead and fuck around, nigga, what, without clips. So ain't no beat made. Nigga, I'm slicing your throat with a razor blade. Right in West Side Park after dark, nigga, catch me. I don't even give a fuck, pussy, you can't rap me. Man, fuck it, nigga, Jersey like. Go ahead and fuck around, what, bitch, Jersey like. Yeah, nigga, got you undercover and shit. Go ahead and fuck around, what, she like your mother and shit. You crying like she was fucking Maury. I don't even give a fuck. Tell another nigga another story. Or he, what, man, not the father. I don't even give a fuck. Pussy, why the fuck you bother? Yeah, bitch, left you stinking, now you fucking mad and stuff. Then that bitch was pregnant by you, nigga. Not likely. Ike B. What, nigga, like Ike B? Nah, motherfucker, like Tina. She mean